As children get older, they develop a better sense of how other people see things. Increase in capacity to taking another person's point of view is an important component of socialization. Morality is universal because it defines the standards of conduct. There are two major viewpoints of moral development. That's Kohlberg's and Gilligan's. Kohlberg's stages of moral reasoning. There are 3 levels, each contains 2 stages of moral reasoning and development. Level 1, a pre-conventional moral reasoning guided by reward versus punishment, contains stage 1 and stage 2. In stage 1, morality begins at age 7 and ends at age 10. And there's a rigid, locked into compliance component. In stage 2, there's a shift towards individualistic and social transactions perspective. In level 2, the conventional stage, this also starts stage 3, and it's a mutual expectations and of group conformity. Stage 4 begins to recognize the importance of socially organized set of rules to govern conduct. Post-conventional is increased recognition of the individual rights and socially approved standard of conduct. And stage 5 is a variety of opinions, perspectives, and values. The standards are relative rather than absolute. Stage 6, the highest level, few people attain this level, and it's a universal because of the principles of justice and general codes of ethical principles that apply cross-culturally. Highly controversial because it focuses on the stage perspective. There's a relationship between how people morally think versus how they actually act, and supporting research used limited samples. Gilligan's model of moral development, men and women differ substantially on how they view and interpret moral decision-making and standards. Men focus more on general principles and are more competitive. Women focus on interpersonal perspectives that embrace or emphasize caring and compassion, and they're more concerned with their relationships. Women pass through 3 levels of moral development: their own welfare and advancement, self-sacrifice and concern for other people when making decisions, especially moral ones, and balancing responsibilities between a commitment to others and a good sense of self-care.